respected Chief Guest, Director Sir, Associate Director Sir Mr. Achintya Gupta, Coordinator Sirs, faculty members, house masters and all the house members of the boys section of Sacred Heart School. At the outset, I would like to request our Director Sir to formally welcome our Chief Guest for the event, Mrs. Geeta Das, one of our founding teachers of Sacred Heart School. So I would like to request our Director Sir to kindly welcome our Chief Guest. To be with us on this. Welcome to the annual Inter-House Swimming Gala 2025. It is indeed a welcome break from the rigor of examinations and constant academic grind. Allow me to congratulate all the participants for taking this opportunity that the school provides. And keeping the context of opportunity, let me talk to you all for a while on a matter that is quite close to all our hearts, inculcating the school spirit and what makes a school great from good. The importance of taking part in internal events that will pave the way for your selections to represent your school in various inter-school events. Mind you, the only way to build and develop the school spirit is mainly through sports. For instance, Aranya Maiti, one of our rising stars, will definitely become an icon onto his juniors as well as his peers. And tomorrow when he passes out, he will fondly recall his school days that will probably not he will probably not remember the routine, the lessons, or even the teachers, but he will remember the pool and he will remember the school. Moreover, if you are successful on the sporting arena, it will transform you into a confident young man. Similar is the case with volleyball. It is with great curiosity that I look upon our Brahmacharya sir for being able to find a steady stream of quality volleyball players year after year. Where do you suppose it comes from? Well, it comes from the fact that our school always has a competitive volleyball team. The players such as Saurav, Mohit Gurung, Wasif, Animesh, who represent this team, are heroes for the wide-eyed young boys in class 6, 7, 8. And so the gist of the matter is the onus of developing and improving the school spirit lies upon the shoulders of the sports persons. No wonder schools across the world take so much pride in their sports persons. In likewise manner, the sports person also takes so much pride in representing their schools. They sweat, bleed, and sink or fail together. Remember, if you take the opportunities provided to you, games, Khelo India, and corporate investments in various sports, India is a sleeping giant that is waiting to be unleashed in the sporting world. Hope you will become part of this grand era where sportsmen will become part of a revolution. It's high time our students learn to be grateful and repay the faith and hard work of the teachers and the mentors with medals and their academic achievements. Saying this, I welcome once again each and every one to this grand spectacle. Now I would like to request Achintya sir to say a few words before we move on to the other proceedings.
Thank you, sir. A very good morning to everyone. It gives me great pride to welcome you all to our inter-house swimming competition. At Sacred Heart, just like Arpan sir said, we have all the opportunities for you to shine. We have all the opportunities for you to shine, be in the spotlight, have a lot of sporting events, and sports is not just about winning, it's about teamwork, dedication, the spirit of pushing beyond your limits, and swimming especially teaches you a lot about resilience, facing your courage, and is one of the healthiest things to do. We are lucky enough to have a semi-Olympic size pool. The ones in the Olympic are literally just twice the size of this, and it's exactly half. And I encourage today every participant to give their best, support one another, and uphold the true spirit of healthy competition. All the best to each swimmer, and we hope to make a very memorable inter-house swimming gala. And thank you very much.
Now I would like to request our swimming in charge our senior coordinator, sir, Mr. R.K. Das, to kindly administer the oath on behalf of all the sportspersons. I would like to request all the participants to stand where they are seated so that we can take this oath before we can start on with the proceedings.
And repeat after me. We swear that we will take part in the inter-house swimming competition, respecting the regulation which govern them, and with the desire to participate for the honor of our country and for the glory of sports. Thank you and all the best.
Good morning, dear students. I can see many students standing in the gallery, They will just be watching the students who are swimming. Whole year round, the swimming teachers, we also tell the students, come down, go to the swimming pool and come and practice. It's an individual sporting game. But no, I find long letters from the parents, from the students, saying that I have got rash, I am not well, I have got asthma, I cannot come for swimming. And today you all are just spectators over there. I will request you all that we have witnessed the regional swimming gala, the zonal swimming gala in Sacred Heart School. We have seen students from Calcutta, from all West Bengal, are doing 1500 meters, 800 meters, and they were enjoying it. And we were only spectators. Our students could not perform. We were nowhere in comparison to them. So I will request all the students and the swimming teachers also that we should prepare ourselves for the coming year. And students, don't escape. It's an individual sporting event. We can do it. We have the swimming pool. We have everything present over here. So now, of course, I will declare the Sacred Heart Inter-House Swimming Boys Competition open.
I believe it will be Swarnajit. Under 14, under 17 and under 19 freestyle participants, kindly be ready. House captains, if you would kindly come to the announcement desk. House captains, if I can call you to the announcement desk, please. meters freestyle under 17 boys. The names that I have with me are Karthik Jaiswal from Gandhi House, Srijan Roy Gandhi House, Ankur Agarwal Gandhi, Arnav Ahmed from Nehru House. Meanwhile, the under 17 50 meters freestyle participants, you are requested to be ready as well, followed by the under 19 50 meters freestyle. And keep an eye on Alright, Fayaz Khan has successfully completed the 200 meters. I believe it will be Saunajit Karmakar who will be completing the 200 meters final lap. Kindly give them a round of applause, especially Neil Edward Turkey for being a brave participant. Under 17 50 meters. Ayush Kumar, Divyansh Keshri, Nandagopal, Nuren Faizi, and Shreyan Gupta.
Okay. Name judges. Ready? Okay, then volunteers. Right, over to referee sir.
And I believe Ayush is going making it up. Under 17, 50 meters, freestyle, second set of participants. And Karthik Jaiswal, and making up the numbers is Ishan Mishra. Obviously, Parijat Malik will start off as favorite. The rest of the field will have a lot of catching up to do again. Meters freestyle.
Under 19, 50 meters freestyle. Please take your lead.
These are your participants for the under 19 50 meters freestyle. Neil Edward Tirki, Ishayat Khan, Swarnajit Karmakar, Avinash Kumar, and Rudra Khandelwal.
Okay, there are 5 participants.
Ayush, Shipra, Karanya Maiti, Aditya, and Divya Raj are the participants for the under 11 backstroke 25 meters.
I request also the stroke judges, Naresh sir and Parikot sir, to be ready.
These are the participants for the under 1400 meters. Shreyans Bhagat, Nitin Bhagat, Swastik Surya, and Puru Pratap.
Okay. Referee sir, we are ready with the first set.
Under 1400 meters, first set, Shreyans Bhagat, Nitin Bhagat, Swastik Surya, and Puru Pratap. Seems like there will be a tough competition. Swaminji and Avidas. Swaminji, lane number 1, we have Ayush Kumar. Lane number 2, we have Ankur Agarwal. Lane number 3, Gaurang Jaiswal. Lane number 4, we have Pawan Yadav. Yuvraj Paswan. Lane number 5, we have Nurain Faizi. And lane number 6, we have Shreyan Gupta. First set of under 17 100 meters. It will be a tough fight between Ankur, Gaurang and Nurain. As we can see the two Gaurang to use the back of the ring. As we can see the two Gaurang to use the back of the ring. Followed by Yuvraj Paswan, Shreyan Gupta. Nurain and Ayush Kumar, Shreyan Gupta, Yuvraj and Ankur are keeping up with each other. Cheer prepared by Ayush Kumar. Call for under 11 25 meters butterfly, followed by the first calls for under 14 50 meters breaststroke, under 17 50 meters breaststroke, and under 19 50 meters breaststroke. Lane number 2, under 14, 50 meters breaststroke.
50 meters.
50 meters breaststroke, we have Pawan Yadav. In lane number 2, Swastik Surya. In lane number 3, lane number 4, we have Aniket. And lane number 5, we have Srijan Chaurasia. Lane number 1, Aditya. Lane number 2, Pawan. Lane number 3, Swastik. Lane number 4, Aniket. Lane number 5, Srijan. And lane number 6. I believe Aditya has just pulled ahead of Swastik Surya. So it might be an upset because Swastik Surya did not have in the initial list under 1700 meters butterfly, so we'll have to insert under 1700 meters butterfly as event number 27 in the event list. To all the organizers, 27, event number 27 will be under 1700 meters butterfly. These are the participants for under 17 50 meters breaststroke. Atharv Jaiswal in lane number 1, Divyans Keshri in lane number 2, Parijat Malik in lane number 3, Nanda Gopal in lane number 4, Nurain Faizi in lane number 5, and the sole participant for under 19 50 meters breaststroke, Avinash in lane number 6. So Avinash is not competing against the rest, he is competing with himself.
Shreyans Bhagat, Rudra and
Timekeepers! Participants, ready!
Charges of the different houses that if you're too responsible, you have to keep your license yourself fast. This is handling also.
and Mrs. Shriyaki Gupta to kindly accompany our chief guest onto the podium so that we can give away the first set of medals to our deserving participants. One very important thing that we move on to under 11 boys, 25 meters backstroke. Sripak Suryans, third, Netaji House. Sripak Suryans, Netaji House, third. Aditya Shiprak Suryans, my bad. Aditya Saha Nehru, second, and Aranya Maiti, Netaji House, first. Shiprak Suryans, third. Aditya Saha, second, and Aranya Maiti, first. 14 boys. 100 meters freestyle under 14 boys. In third position we have Shreyans Bhagat Gandhi. Shreyans Bhagat from Gandhi House in the third position. Aditya Ranjan from Tagore House in the second position. And Nitin Bhagat from Nehru House in the first position. Boys freestyle. In the third position we have Shreyan Gupta with a timing of 1.37 seconds. Nurain Faizi, second position from Tagore House, 1.45. And Gaurang Jaiswal from Tagore House, 1.23 seconds. Importance of coming on time. 11, 25 meters, boys butterfly. Avilash Jaiswal is in the third position. From Nehru House, third position. Aditya Saha from Nehru House in the second position. And Aranya Maiti, as usual, in the first position. May I now call upon the following boys from the under 14 category for the 50 meters breaststroke. Swastik Surya, Tagore House is in the third position. Srijan Chaurasia from Netaji is in the second position. And Aditya Ranjan from Tagore House again is in the first position for the 50 meters breaststroke under 14 boys. Associate Director Sir, Mr. Achintya Gupta to kindly give away the following set of medals for the next set of events. And in third position we have Atharv Kumar from Tagore House. We have Nanda Gopal in the second position from Gandhi. And Palikat Malik from Nehru in the first position. Atharv, Nandagopal and Parijat respectively. Now we move on to under 14 boys 50 meters backstroke. In the third position we have Mukul Jaiswal from Gandhi House. Srijan Chaurasia of Netaji House is in the second position and Nitin Kumar Bhagat from Nehru is in the first position. Mukul, Gandhi House third. Srijan Chaurasia, Netaji House second. Nitin Kumar Bhagat of Nehru House is in the first position with 0.48.73 seconds. Surprise candidate Subodip Saha from Nehru House is in the third position. Shreyan Gupta from Tagore House is in the second position. And Gaurang Jaiswal from Tagore House is in the first position with a timing of 47.53 seconds. Gaurang first. Subodip is too surprised to take his place. And Shreyan is in the second position with 1.10 seconds. And Rudra Vandelwal from Nehru House, first and second. Meters butterfly under 14 boys. These are your medalists. So, Vihan Kumar, Tagore House, third. Srijan Chaurasia, Netaji House, second. And Pratyush Minj, Nehru House, first. Vihan, Tagore, third. Srijan, second from Netaji House. And Pratyush Minj with a timing of 56.37 seconds came first. We had only one participant showing up, Nanda Gopal, first, second and third.
Yeah. House points include
The 50 meters butterfly for the under 19 boys, and these are your medalists. Neil Edward Tilke from Nehru House. And Sonajit Karmakar from Tagore House. We move on to 25 meters breaststroke for the under 11 boys. Ayush Kumar from Tagore House, third. Abhilash from Nehru House, second. And Aditya Shah from Nehru House, first. Ayush Kumar, Abhilash, and Aditya. We move on to under 14 boys 100 meters breaststroke. These are your participants who came first, second, and third. In third position, we have Puru Pratap from Tagore House. Second position, Swastik Surya from Tagore House. And a clean sweep by Tagore House, Aditya Ranjan. Thank you, Das sir. Thank you, Aditya sir. We will call you when we require your help in the next set-off. We now request our director sir to kindly give away the next set of medals. In the under 17 boys 100 meters breaststroke, Athar Kumar of Tagore House is in the third position. Parijat of Nehru House is in the second position, and in the first position is Navendu Das of Tagore House. Now we shall move on to 100 meters breaststroke. There are two participants, and both have come third. Avinash Kumar Shah and Mohammad Fayaz Khan. Mohammad Fayaz Khan is in the first position from Gandhi House, and Avinash Kumar Shah is second from Tagore House. Next event, which was the 100 meters backstroke for under 14 boys, and these are the participants who came third, second, and first. Kunal Kumar Shah of Gandhi House third, Mukul Jaiswal of Gandhi House second, and Srijan Chaurasia of Netaji House first. 100 meters backstroke under 14 boys. Kunal Kumar Shah third position, Mukul Jaiswal second position, and Netaji House Srijan Chaurasia in the first position. And these are the two people who came first and second. Subhadev Shah of Nehru House second, Gaurang Jaiswal of Tagore House first. Under 17 boys 100 meters backstroke. Subhadev Shah second, Gaurang Jaiswal first. Backstroke, Swarnajit Karmakar of Tagore House. Swarnajit Karmakar of Tagore House. Meters butterfly final result for under 14 boys. Devraj Vans is in the third position. Vihan Kumar is in the second position from Tagore House, and Pratyush Minch from Nehru House is in the first position. Devraj from Gandhi House, Vihan from Tagore, and Pratyush from Nehru House make the first, second, and third positions for the under 14 100 meters butterfly. Mohammad Fayaz Khan of Gandhi House, 100 meters butterfly under 19 boys. May I once again request our ladies in the audience, Mrs. Priyaki Gupta ma'am, and our chief guest of the day. Under 14 boys 100 meters individual medley. In the third position we have Shreyans Bhagat of Gandhi House. Srijan Chaurasia of Netaji House is in the second position, and from Nehru House we have Nitin Kumar Bhagat coming first with a time of 2 minutes 7 seconds. Individual medley. Navendu Das has come second, and Gaurang Jaiswal has come first. Navendu's timing was 2.35 seconds, Gaurang's was 1.37 seconds. And both are from Tagore House, as Gautam sir keeps reminding me. Joy Chaudhary from Nehru House, second. And Mohammad Fayaz Khan Now we move on to the 200 meters freestyle for under 19 boys. In the third position, we have Neil Edward Tirki from Nehru House. Sonajit Karpakar from Tagore House is in the second position. And Mohammad Fayaz Khan from Gandhi is in the first position. Neil Edward, Sonajit and Fayaz. Move on to the combined events, so we will request Director Sir and Aditya Sir also to join us. In the third position for the 4 into 50 meters freestyle relay for under 14 and under 11 boys, in the third position we have Tagore House. Only the captain and housemaster, Tagore House. Thank you so much, boys. Third position, Nehru House, one participant from the relay team. Gandhi House, one participant from the team coming second, that is Gandhi. And all the members of Tagore House. All the members of Tagore House who participated in the under 19 and 17. You don't have to climb up, Avinash, Sonajit. Some of you would for prize distribution. In the third position for the 4 into 50 meters medley relay for under 11 and 14 boys. In the third position we have Netaji House. So one member from Netaji House relay team, one member for the medley, one relay team member. From Tagore House, one member. In the second position, Tagore House. And in the first position, we have Nehru House. So the entire team of the under 11 and under 14. All the team members of under 11 and 14. Combined total of 3.30 seconds, Nehru House second with 3.27 seconds, and Tagore House has been recorded first at 3 minutes 0.4 seconds. Tagore, Nehru and Gandhi, first, second and third.
Are you ready? At 125 points, and in the fourth position, we have Netaji House. Please clap. With 161 points, guess who?
Gandhi!
Smart children. Gandhi, yes. With 357 points, guess who? With 357, guess who? With 292, guess who? Okay, because you can't make up your mind, we'll tell you. With 292 points, we have Nehru at number 2. Obviously, Tagore leading with 357 points. Tagore House, the winners of the event. Congratulations, coaches, members, captains, and participants. Thank you, officer.
So we'll request the captain and house members of Tagore House to kindly join us at the podium.
And we will take a photograph with all the dignitaries. All the team members who participated in the 2025 annual Inter-House Swimming Competition boys, we are requested to kindly come together to take a photograph with the dignitaries.
Swimmer under 11 category, undoubtedly Aranya Maike. Maybe across all categories. Nitin Bhagat for the under 14 category.
Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of the entire school community, it is my proud privilege to propose vote of thanks for today's inter-house swimming competition. First and foremost, we express our heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Mrs. Geeta Das, for gracing the occasion with her presence and inspiring our young swimmer. We are deeply thankful to our respected principal sir, who is not over here, and honorable director sir, for the constant support, vision and guidance that makes such event possible and meaningful. A special word of appreciation to Achintya sir, Priyaki ma'am, for their encouragement and presence today. Our sincere thank to the event management team headed by Roka sir, who ensured that every details of the competition was carried out with perfection. Thank you, Roka sir. We also extend our gratitude to all the house masters and tutors for their enthusiastic involvement in preparing and motivating the participants. Our appreciation goes to the sounds management team, whose effort ensured that every announcement and cheer reached as loud and clear. We owe much to our coaches who have worked tirelessly to train and nurture the talents of our swimmers, guiding them to put forth their best performance. A big thank to Richard sir and Matthew sir for looking after the catering arrangements, making sure that everyone stayed refreshed throughout the event. Finally, heartfelt thank to all the participants, audience, and supporters who made this event lively, spirited, and successful. With that, we conclude today's event with gratitude in our hearts and joy in our memories. Thank you to each and every one of you. Thank you. All the captains.
Put up your hands. That is Astha, Iram. Kathakali, are you there?
Take your mark.
50 meters freestyle. And our participants are Sanchita Ghosh of Teresa House, Raksha Das of Naidu House, and Sonakshi Saha of Teresa House. The next one is a 100-meter freestyle race, and we have only one candidate, that is Radhe Kumari. This is the under 14 50 meter trial marathon race. Radhe Kumari,
Be alert.
Take your mark.
50 meters backstroke.
Please listen, we now begin under 14 girls 4 into 50 meters medley relay. Alright, before I call out your names for another time, let me tell you the order of the relay. Participants, may I have your attention please? Participants, let's not get disqualified. Please, backstroke, breaststroke, butterfly stroke, freestyle, in this order. Our participants are Arohi, Neha, Angel Kumari, Shivani Khandwani, all of Naidu House, and Madeline Gomes, Srishti Kumari, Kashish Chajar, and Radhi Kumari, all of Teresa House. Hands up. All the best.
and thus we knew how to swim. Thus, sir? Yes, so once upon a time, maybe I knew how to swim. So you can give credit to me for that. For those of us who do not know how to swim, we lack a life skill, adding to what Malini ma'am just told us. And now, may I take this opportunity to remind you that Sacred Heart School takes swimming as its core curriculum activity. It's not an extra curriculum activity. You have to know how to swim and swim well, as I was just telling some students with whom I had a real chit-chat session right now. Swimming well is something which has to be added to your whole curriculum, Vishay. And trust me, it's an asset which you will cherish for a lifetime. So unless the doctor tells you you cannot swim, you cannot swim, you have to swim. And for that, each of you just sit and clap for everybody who dared to venture into the pool today. Whether they win or they lose, that's secondary. There were some participants who were in the pool nearly 4 times. Am I right? I saw someone go in, come out, and again she's in and she's out. Why? Where are the others? I mean, I don't mean to compare, but girls, come on. This is your sports field. It's not just land, it's water as well. And next year, I do hope we have a bigger team of girls participating. On these words, I wish you all the best for your future endeavors. And who's going to win today, we will surely know in a while. Congratulations in advance. May the sky have to shift its limits to accommodate your successes. And each Sacred Heart girl, all of you, please take your swimming seriously. I repeat, take it seriously. It's an asset for life. You will regret not knowing how to be a water girl in the future. Thank you.
The prize distribution. I begin with the event under 11 girls 25 meters freestyle. Director sir, Priyaki ma'am and Achintya sir also to please go to the front and give away the medals. Well done, girls. Under 14 girls, 50 meters freestyle. The participant who comes fourth is Kashish Tajer of Teresa House. Third position, Anshu Kumari of Madam Kama House. Madeline Rooms of Teresa House bags the second position, and Radhi Kumari of Teresa House comes first. Sonakshi of Gold House coming second. Raksha Das of, come on, Red House, yes. Hand for them, come on. Let's clap. Event number 10. Come. Srimanti, come. Meuli, come, help me. It's event number 10. 50 meters breaststroke. Okay. And third position, Janvi Verma of Blue House. And Pallu Kumari, second. And none other than, you know her, Shrija Ghosh. Coming, there's Shrija again. Under 19 girls, and in the third position is Khushi Jain. Shrija is first, forgive me. Nabila second. Girls are, I'll not tell you their ranks. These girls are Madeline, Soumya, Radhe. In the third position, Soumya Sri. Madeline bagging the second position. Madeline, second. And of Mother Teresa House. Coming second, Nishtha Bhagat, Naidu House. Coming third, none other than Tannu Kumari of this is the under 19 50 meters backstroke, event number 14. Nabila bags the gold medal and Raksha bags the silver medal. Kashish coming first, Shivani Khanwani second, Srishti Kumari third. Big hand. 50 meters butterfly, Nabila comes first. 5 into 50 meters freestyle relay. Under 17 girls, Prachi, Ridhima, Srija, Sonakshi, also of Mother Teresa House. 19 girls, individual medley 100 meters. Our winner is Nabila. I don't know why Nabila had gone that side. Tannu comes second, and my dear Nishtha comes third. 3. The 4 into 50 meters medley relay. The winner is Gold House, and the participants are Madeline, Kashish, Srishti Kumari, Radhe Kumari. Tannu and Raksha got the second prize for the under 19 4 into 50 meters medley relay. May I request Director Sir and Priyaki ma'am to please come up. Ishani. Big hand. Under 14. Yes. Of course. Under 17. You know it. Of course. Under 19. Naturally. Come. A proud moment for us. A proud moment for us. For the second position of our swimming gala, and the trophy goes to Naidu House. May I request house mistress, house tutors and captains, vice captains to please come and the champions are Mother Teresa House.
On this very special occasion of Swimming Gala, it is my privilege to deliver the vote of thanks. First and foremost, we bow our heads in gratitude to the Almighty for His blessings and granting today's program a success. Our heartfelt gratitude goes to our respected Director Sir, Priyaki Ma'am and Achintya Sir, whose vision and encouragement continue to guide us. We are equally grateful to Principal Sir for his constant support and inspiration. We also extend our warm gratitude to our coordinator sirs and ma'am for their dedication, guidance and efforts in making today's event successful. A special thanks goes to Hilton Sir, Ashish Sir and their student team for handling the sound system so efficiently. I would also like to thank Das Sir and our swimming coaches Rajni Ma'am, Naresh Sir, Paritos Sir, Ratan Sir and Mithun Sir and Aditi Ma'am for preparing the swimmers and coordinating the entire program. I would also like to extend my gratitude to the lane judges and all the officials for helping us to conduct the event smoothly and fairly. I also thank Roka sir and his team for decorating the pool area and Nevedita house along with the event management team for taking charge of the event. I also extend my gratitude towards the swimmers for making this event possible. On behalf of all students, I again extend our sincere gratitude to everyone who contributed to making this Swimming Gala 2025-26 a grand success. Thank you and have a great day ahead.